Hey, this is a quick video to show you how to shrink wrap your shoes to prevent any damage that it can cause. I put all of the things that you can buy to shrink wrap your shoes in the bio, so check them out if you want to purchase them. Alright, here's what you'll need. You'll need your shoes, obviously. You'll need your rubber gloves to avoid oil from your fingerprints, silica gel packets to prevent oxidization, hair dryer to melt the shrink wrap, and maybe some scotch tape. First, put the gloves on. I wear gloves to avoid oil from my fingerprints. And then you put silica gel tabs inside of the shoe. It absorbs moisture and oxygen to prevent the whites of your shoes from yellowing. Unroll your shrink wrap. Tuck your shoelaces into your shoe, just like that. Then you're going to put your shoe into the shrink wrap. Make sure you get that line in the middle and then put your shoe into that indentation. Fold the shrink wrap over to the inside of the shoe. That way the logo is clean when you shrink wrap. Then you're going to start the hair dryer up, and then you're going to go straight over the top of the laces so that the line looks perfect over the top. People really like it to see that crease above the top. Then you just want to make sure you got all the sides perfectly shrink wrapped. Then put the shoes back in the box, and then I like to put the receipt on top, cover that with another box to prevent the box even from damaging. And there you have it. You shrink wrap your shoes, they look nice.